Here it is, guys.
This is my life.
Yeah.
This is my story.
Come on.
Lord, I surrender.
Exposing myself.
Glory. Lord, you could take
that I might win
Mold
some.
me and make me through pressure and strife.
Come on.
Lord, here it is.
Yeah.
This is my life. This is my story.
Yeah.
Lord, I surrender.
Yeah.
For your glory. Lord, you could take me. Mold me and make me through pressure and strife. Lord, here it is. This is my life.
Please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Brown, and I came here to lose myself. And I wonder if you could spare me a moment of your time. I'd like to share my testimony in the form of a rhyme. I dedicate this whole album to the lost in sin, hoping that you find Christ, homie, like I did. This ain't your average gospel rap album, dog, it's true. Cause when I was lost, dog, I was just like you. They used to give me gospel music to drop on my knees, but I never understood it, cause they spoke Christianese. And so I tossed it out the window, sparked up some endo, shades to cover my tears so I can sit and feel the wind blow. Hoping to find a way out, but I just can't bow down. Stick with me for a while, and I'll show you what I found out. This can be your final destination. It's been a long time, and I know you've been waiting.
This is my life. This is my story. Lord, I surrender. You said for your glory. Lord, you could take me, mold me and make me through pressure and strife. Lord, here it is. This is my life. This is my story. Lord, I surrender. You said for your glory. Lord, you could take me, mold me and make me through pressure and strife. Lord, here it is. This is my life.